Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. I wanted to give you an update on our direct entry system. We have improved it and we have made it even more powerful. And I wanted to demonstrate it to you on Crude. Now, here's the Right Line direct entry system, and here is just the NinjaTrader Superdome. And when we take a trade in the live trading room, we don't just call it out. We actually enter it in the Superdome, in your Superdome for you, if you elect to be on the direct entry system. So let's say we want to take a sell. I would call it out and enter it.
Order pending.
And there the sell order goes in. Now, if the sell order doesn't mature, I don't like it, I can close it.
Order canceled.
Let's say I want to take a buy.
Order pending.
Now you can see these are buy, sell, stop limit orders. I can close.
Order canceled.
Let's say I just want to take a limit order on a buy. On a pullback, let's say to 47. Well, it's at 47. Let's take the buy back to 48.
Order filled.
Okay, that was just a limit order I executed. Now, the trade is maturing as per my ATM strategy. Now, I can close the trade out at any time I want by hitting this button, close, and I'm going to do that right now. I'm sorry, exit. Excuse me.
Target filled.
And the trade exited and closed. Now, we have an additional configurability. Let's say I take a limit order.
Order pending.
It's waiting for it. Hopefully it's going to come down and take this limit order. You know, it's an afternoon market and it's moving very, very slowly. All right, it's at the price. Hopefully it'll take it. We're just waiting for the execution. All right, I'm going to close the trade.
Order filled.
All right, we're filled. Now, let's say I'm hoping this is going to go in our favor, just a couple of ticks. Which in this market, moving this slowly, may not be so easy. But let's say I want to move the trade to break even. I don't want to close it. We now have an additional, we've added an additional dimension to the platform. If I right-click and hit break even, you see that? I move the stop directly to break even.
Stop filled.
And the trade closed. So you're now at no risk on the trade. The trade exited exactly at your entry. So now I have multiple ways of managing the trade for you. If you're in the trading room on the direct entry system, I can enter the trade for you.
Order pending.
And I can close it.
Order canceled.
I can
order filled.
Exit the trade after it's executed. This is just a very slow market, so.
Target filled.
Trade executed. Or, after the trade executes,
order pending. Order filled.
I can then bring your stop to break even. So let's say it goes 3 or 4 ticks our way. Now I bring it to break even here. It's going to take us right out of the trade. But for demonstration purposes, it doesn't really matter. I can bring, let's say the trade does go 3 or 4 ticks in our direction, and I don't want to place us at risk for the trade coming back and turning into a loss. I can just hit the break-even button. Let's see if it'll go just a tick or two in our favor here before I do this. Now we're at break-even. So I have an incredible amount of power over the trade.
Stop filled.
And the trade just stopped us out of break-even. So I have now a tremendous amount of power on the direct entry system. Now you have to authorize that. You can authorize that in pieces. If you do not want me to be able to exit a trade, you do not have to authorize that. If you do not want me to be able to bring your stop to break even, you don't have to authorize that. All I can do is enter the trades. You can exit at your own discretion. You can move to break even on your own discretion. So how much power I have and authority I have over the trade after it's been entered is really totally up to you, and we can configure the direct entry system for you. So in our trading room, there are no calls made retrospectively or made late. If they're not entered on the direct entry system and the candle is not stamped on our charts that says direct entry L for long or direct entry short for S, meaning it executed on my own Superdome, meaning it should have executed on yours, we don't count the trade. Now, in some instances, on a really fast-moving market, it may shoot past the entry, and you may not get it. Well, we can't guarantee fills, and we can't guarantee executions. But with the buy-sell stop limit order, you will not get slippage. But executions, obviously, nobody can guarantee. But I have a tremendous amount of power, and if you're in the trading room, you are not going to miss any entries. So I just wanted to bring you up to date on the direct entry system, show you the new break-even button we have, which we just added today, and I'll let you see exactly how much power we do have in the live trading room. There's no other program, no other company that has the confidence in their signals to engage a system like this. People give you areas, they give you late calls. They sometimes neglect to show all their losses. Well, if we don't get a direct entry stamp, and you don't get an entry, or we don't get an entry, we do not book the trade. So listen, it's a Friday afternoon. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Just wanted to bring you up to date on the direct entry system, and I hope you can see really what a wonderful system it is. And it's really, really pretty revolutionary. I mean, there is nobody else that offers this system. And we're looking to add to configurability and any ways that you as traders would, if there's an additional component that you'd like me to add, we're happy to do it. Like I said, if you're involved with the system, we never charge for upgrades or improvements. So everybody have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the trading room on Monday. I guess I would be remiss if I did not at least put up our website information to allow you to come in to the trading room. To sign up for a free trial to our live trading room, go to www.rightlinetrading.com. You'll find a link to our daily net equity, our daily net auto trader net equity, also a link to sign up for a free trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or give us a call at 1-855-765-6681 anytime. We get tons of phone calls about questions. We're more than happy to answer them for you. So everybody have a wonderful weekend.